me something cool. Okay, voice acting. Oh wait, already? And then I immediately start to meme it now. Like seriously. Bum, 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 bum.
Do
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 do.
Bum, bum,
Bam,
bum,
bam,
bum,
bam,
bum,
bam, bam.
bum, bum, bum,
Wait, what?
bum,
Bam,
bum,
bam, bam. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, next one. Oh, I actually don't know how to do the shrub. I actually don't know. So let's go skip this one. You also have to ruin any points on the screen if you don't know.
Shoo-a-doo-a-doo, 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 shoo-a-doo-a-doo.
Oh, I actually don't know. Okay, what? I actually don't know. I got the right tools. Wait, guys. I got the right tools. Jay? I don't know. Swear, this is starting to come apart now. Like seriously. I don't know. Who skips unless I can't do it? Maybe I can do the other one. Come on. How long is the lyrics?
They sleep when it gets cold, and the leaves turn. They turn red and they turn gold. They need sunlight and water and earth and the air to keep them alive. That's how plants grow.
Grow.
That's how plants grow.
Grow.
Everything here is alive.
I already know that the full plant song has this together with the other one too.
You plant a seed, it settles in. And then it bursts, and then it splits and makes a twin.
What?
Then there were more. Look across the landscape, and you'll find it's just a bunch of plants, 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 a bunch of plants.
Every monster knows
He.
how the plants grow. And
Wait. Their captions cool because I can actually know how to like voice act them.
every monster cares.
Okay.
And they know how they shade and they feed them. And they keep them alive. Let's watch plants grow. Let's watch plants grow.
Grow. Let's watch.
Everything here is alive. Everything here is alive. A note becomes a chord, becomes a phrase, becomes a melody and a note.
I actually can't kill the monsters. Like I actually can't voice act them. Like it's hard to. And then
Becomes a monster.
Oh no, being the monster. What? I don't
You
get the
plant a seed, it settles in. And then it bursts, and then it splits and makes a twin. Then there are more. Look across the landscape, and you'll find it's just a bunch of plants.
Dip 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 dip
Okay, what now? What now? What? How am I supposed to voice act the dipsters?
dip 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 dip
Wait, how is that a monster? Like, how is that a monster? Okay, that's cool. Okay, what? No, I don't. Is this sugar bush? I don't know. Anyways, guys, that's the end with the Plant Island voice acting. I don't know if you guys like it. Anyway, it says you on the cap. You! That is, it says you! Like, okay, wait. When did it actually pick that up? It has to do on there.